Hey guys, this is Adam with Jackson Egg Company. So we're out here working at the farm today, and we're doing a lot of different stuff. But well, we've got our feeders here that are going to be going up soon. So what's going on? These are what you call a pan feeder. They're commonly used in large production barns and stuff. A good way to feed cage-free chickens. There's also the belt method. It's just a different style of feeder. But with these pan feeders, what will happen is the feed will go through this line with what we call a flex auger, and so that will just drag the feed down to the other end of the barn. But as it gets there, there's a hole right here in the pipe, and so the feed will just drop down into this tube, and then it will fill up the pan until it just like completely fills up this pan, and then the feed will travel on to the next one, completely fill up that one, just so on and so on until it gets down to the end of the barn and all of the pans are full. So at the other end then of the barn, we have this. It's called a control pan. Obviously not set up yet. But this control pan has a switch on it then. So basically as the birds eat out of here, the feed will go down, and then the switch will, activate it again. And so it's signaling that like since this last pan is out of feed, then all of the other ones are assumed to be out of feed as well. So it'll run again, fill them all up, and of course that's run off of this motor here. This motor gets attached to the control pan. So that's how we ensure that the chickens have feed all the time, because there's this automatic deal to just constantly turn on the motor and put more feed out there as it needs it. So then at this side of the barn where we're actually at, this will go down to the other side. Then we've got our feed bin right here. We're just going to cut a little hole in the plastic and then shoot a line into the barn, and so you can see it off that boot assembly and stuff, and then it will come over here. We've already got our lines hung, and so that whole line of feeders will be right here in the middle and keep our chickens well fed. So that's what's going on out here at the farm with Jackson Egg Company. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like us on Facebook or like our YouTube page, or however you're viewing this, and stay tuned for more information. Thanks.